Now, air cargo volumes at the Kotoka International Airport have witnessed a dip following the outbreak of the coronavirus. This was revealed by cargo operators Swissport and Aviance when the Minister of Aviation, Kofi Ada, inspected the facilities to ascertain preparedness of cargo handlers in the wake of the outbreak. Now, some cargo operators say although cargo volumes have declined from the beginning of the year, the recent travel restrictions have worsened the situation. Chris Goodsir is country manager of Swissport. He spoke to Sheila Tamaklo in this report.
The travel restriction that was introduced by governments basically limited non-Ghanaian citizens who were coming from endemic regions from coming into the Ghanaian jurisdiction. But today we are here at the cargo side at the airport to find out what also is happening in terms of cargo and goods coming from any of these areas into the country.
We have positioned temperature readers, so everyone walking into the warehouse, there is only one entrance. They will have their temperature checked every time that they come into the warehouse. They will also be security searched in line with the national security protocols. Our staff and relative employees at the ramp have been issued with masks, effective PPEs, gloves. We have cleaners on station cleaning all surfaces every couple of minutes as well. Certain doors have been opened with security present as well so that no one touches the door handles, because that is another way of showing and transmitting the COVID-19. From an operational perspective, we are continuing with our ops. We have no impact as yet with regards to our operations. We are doing everything we can within our power to safeguard the operations as much as possible. Obviously, with the flights cancelling, it does bring into question our operations. It does bring into question the revenue coming into Ghana as well. We have got measures in place to combat that. I need to make it perfectly clear, we are doing everything within our power as a company to safeguard the employment of the staff. That is our number one concern.
We're getting goods from China.
Australia?
No, really. China, America, UK, and those places.
But it's gone down now?
Generally, the whole year, the cargo, incoming cargo has been very low.
If we took the quantum of goods that have come in, would you say what has been coming from China, Italy as examples? Would you say those numbers have gone down? Do we have evidence of that? Or
yes, it's gone down because we are almost down with about 40 flights a week since the pandemic. And 40 flights a week is a huge volume.
How many flights do you get in a week? Cargo, roughly?
No, almost all the passenger flight comes with cargo. We are operating, we have about 2 to 10% cargo coming in with freighters. The rest of them, the 90% is all by the passenger flights.
Besides passengers being affected, that is passenger numbers dropping, clearly checks here indicates that cargo has also dwindled in the wake of the coronavirus epidemic. However, the measures so far in place appear to be satisfactory.
I think measures are fairly in place in the manner that we expect to be. I'm particularly happy with the employee education programs and what they should do before they get in and while they're working. I'm a little unhappy about the crowding. We talk about having people in one location, not being more than some 20 or so. But I saw in one of the customers' outfits where we have more than 20 people. So that's something we have to communicate back to them to make sure that they reduce the number that can congregate in any particular location. Everything about personal protective equipment, about public education programs, about hand washing, about the sanitizers and what have you, including even the cargo that's coming in, is really comforting to know that nothing has been detected so far, and that the port health people are working with the cargo management stakeholders to ensure that everything is under control.
Reporting for Joy Business, my name is Sheila Tamaklo.